Okay, I'm going to show you how to set up your paper in MLA format for English Composition 1. So I've opened a Microsoft Word document here. The first thing to notice is that the default setting is normal. You need to change that to no spacing. You don't have complete control over the formatting on normal. It needs to be on no spacing. The next thing we need to do is change the default font. MLA requires Times New Roman 12-point font. That and only that. Another thing we're going to change here in the paragraph setting is the line spacing. Essays always need to be double spaced, and that starts right at the beginning before you even type your name. The heading is going to also be double spaced. Also make sure that your tab, go here on the tabs, make sure that it's default set to 0.5, which is half an inch. Okay, and then you're going to type your name. My favorite literary character is Elizabeth Bennet, but that would be your name as the student. And then my name, I'm going to put Professor May. I get multiple variations on my name. Professor May is what I prefer. And then your course name, which is ENC 1101, and you should put your section number there as well. And then the date, and students go wrong on the date. There's only one way to do it correctly in MLA format, and it's this: today's March 2021. That's the only way to do the date correctly. It is not 3/10/21 or even 03 MAR 21. I get so many variations of the date, and that's all wrong, so make sure you do your date correctly. Now you need to give your essay a title. So we're going to go here and we're going to center the title, and don't call it by the assignment title like essay number 1 response or memoir. You know, give it a name, something significant like my mom was always right. I'm a mom, so I like that. Okay, note that we use title case capitalization. That means every word is capitalized. The exception are words like articles, prepositions, and conjunctions. So, you know, yesterday and today, you would not capitalize the and because it's a conjunction. Also, prepositions and articles, which are a and the, and so on, unless those are the very first word of the title, then of course it would be capitalized. Okay, we're going to go back to the left alignment, and we're going to hit the tab so that we can start typing the essay. Let me just point out that sometimes students do this setting, which it justifies the right column of text and the left column, and that is incorrect. It needs to be left aligned. Also, students, they may center the title and then inadvertently center the first paragraph of their essay as well. So make sure you're back to left alignment here. And the last thing I'm going to show you is how to create a header. Okay, this is called the heading. And up here we create the header, which is where you have your last name and the page number. So we're going to go here to insert. And I realize now it would make sense to click header, but that's actually incorrect. You need to click page number. We want it at the top of the page, and we want it in the right corner. So we're going to click the third one down. It puts the one there. You're going to type your name, your last name in front of it, and then you're going to hit the space. Okay, this is still not correct though because the font is incorrect. We need to go back here. We highlight it, and we go back here. Whoops. Go back home, and we change that to Times New Roman, 12-point font, and then that's done. And then you can just double click away from that, and it'll close that out. And then you'll notice as you go on to the next page, the header will be there with your last name and the page number. The heading is not there. The header appears on every page, the heading only on the first page. Okay. Hopefully you guys follow those instructions. Watch this again if you need to.